And this entire truck, $4.7 million, almost $5 million for one machine.
Each tire weighs 11,000 pounds and costs $70,000. That's $70,000 for one tire.
Look inside. This dump body is so big, a man can walk around inside it.
But where is this monster built? Come inside, into the factory that builds giants.
Here, molten steel becomes the frame. Robots weld knots down it, and 400 horsepower engine drops perfectly into place.
Watch closely. This is the moment a 400-ton machine comes to life. Full 9-minute documentary, no talking, just pure manufacturing satisfaction. Sparks, steel, and giants. Watch it now.
Mega Factory.
Morning, team. Let's make it a good one.
You too. Ready for that new line?
Safety first, everyone. Dimensions check, good to go. Okay, crane up. "40-foot span is spot on. Welds marked and verified. Support secured. Ready for suspension. Down slow, aligning now. First pin in, second pin. Looks good. Torque it. Aligning carrier now. Teeth are seating perfectly. Bearings preloaded. Ready for final check. Easy now. Guide it steady. Descent complete. Frame is seated. Alignment good. Team, install the brakes. Alignment looks good. Bring it up slow, steady. Watch the levels. Perfect. It's sliding home.
Complete engine transmission assembly, 35 pounds, now rigged with taglines toward the main assembly line.
Clearance is 1/4 inch. Mounts aligned. Pins in. Nuts running down. Powertrain seated. U-joints bolted. Grease the zerks. Check rotation. Looks smooth. Custom bend, precise for this truck. Lines routed, fittings filled, 200 gallons. Pressure holding at 3,000 PSI. Lowering into position. Watch the alignment. Pins in. Connect the hoses. Retract. Good. To the cab. Checking torque markings. All verified. Paint and finish are good. Lights and signals next. Confirmed. All systems go. All checks complete. This truck is now officially a Caterpillar 797. Outstanding work. A real achievement.